These are the drawings I made by using the same method or same technique. It is easy to use, and the main thing is you'll draw better. And day by day, you'll level up, and then you can draw freehand style. Just observe the reference and start copying it. A circle. Yes, you heard it right. Just draw a circle, then follow my steps. I'll draw an outline for the face shape, then later I'll show how. We'll add details for the chin, nose, mouth, and eyes. The lower part of the circle will be the nose area, and the upper part, there would be the hairline of the character. Most people probably mistake while making the face shape. Do not make jaw too long or shorter, and anime characters' faces are not too wide. Remember this, I have observed this mistake. They make their face wider and then complain like why they can't make a good face. If you draw a circle and then you add outline near the circle, your face will be better. And then you can just add details. Well, I have a habit to draw neck. Well, of course it makes your face looks better. I'm drawing this rough sketch to actually show you what method I used. And then further, I'll make 2 to 3 samples and actual detail drawings. Keep watching till the end. So this method is called Loomis Method, in which we draw a criclito, make a head of character. This method is very useful and the great way to improve your art now. If you're a beginner, you should draw a rough sketch so that you won't make any mistakes in final art. As you can see, I'm drawing the guidelines first, then later add details. And by the way, this method is useful. You can draw realistic faces too. Well, and this, I'm showing you the side profile. Not the actual side profile, but the 60-40.
Look at you. You're running in circles, which way will you turn? Look at you. You're stuck in the fire, you'll just have to burn. There ain't no sympathy for the broken man, no.
Well, I'm using the pen because pencil was not a good idea to show you guys demo. And I don't know why I love drawing with pen, but you guys should use pencil, okay? Remember to draw with pencil.
Only space for you in the trouble, man. Learn from me, learn from me, learn from me, learn from me. Make it up, gotta make it up, make it up.
If you guys know this character, comment below.
What happened to the things that I taught ya? What happened to the dreams that I brought ya? What happened to the wings that were on ya? How could you let them fly on without ya? You've lost all hope and you've lost your way. Try to make sense of